In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default homepage in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can control how the browser behaves when it starts up, along with many other options. Now look to the left-hand side of the Settings page. You will see a menu with different categories. Click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome does each time you open the browser. In the On Startup settings, you will see a few different choices. To set a homepage that opens automatically when Chrome launches, choose Open a specific page or set of pages. This tells Chrome to load the website you want instead of opening a blank page or continuing from a previous session. After selecting that option, click Add a new page. A small box will appear where you can enter the web address of the page you want Chrome to open by default. Type or paste the URL into the field. For example, you can enter a site like google.com if that is the page you want to see every time Chrome starts. Once you have entered the website address, click Add to save it. Chrome will now use that page as part of your startup settings. The next time you close and reopen the browser, it should open directly to the page you added. That covers everything you need to know.